Even I used it to print, to type. When I want to print my question and I will run in scattered and scattered, I will go to my house, put on the solar, type and print. My name is Engineer Shola Akano from King's College, Lagos. I'm a class teacher there, and I live in the staff quarters. Once upon a time when we don't have lights, I need to go for solar, and they allow me to pay instrumentally. During that time, it was heat time, so I'm enjoying it up to now. Anytime there's no light, I put on my solar system. During the trade fair around November, when I want to dive with the heat, I need to go to trade fair. I make an inquiry and they said they will assist me. That's why I know them. So when I pay, they came to install and even proposed to do more than 2.5, so that if it is 10 kV, I can enjoy fully AC and some other things. I have generator, I have up to 3 generators. But when the NEPA switch off their own lights, so wake up and go and put on gen, it's tedious. So that is why I prefer solar than generator. Anytime I call their service, the man normally respond. Cost of fuel nowadays, it make me to run away. And when I buy 10,000 naira fuel and it will not last for anywhere. So that's why I said let me go for Koolenergies.